Hi guys, welcome back to Sophia's Nursery. I'm Sophia. Today we're back with another unboxing. I just ordered this doll on Amazon yesterday and she came this morning. I'm so excited to open her. I haven't seen her yet. So let's get started. My mom put a diaper over her head, so it's kind of like a surprise. Alright, ready? Oh, look at her hands. She's covered in like plastic. Oh wow. Oh, I love her pacifier clip. Let's open this. She has this really cute bottle. It's like pink with little rainbow spots on it. And then look at this pacifier. It says kiss me. And then look at this pacifier clip. It's so pretty. I love the rainbow. Okay, she also comes with a birth certificate. And what's this? It says, "Thank you so much for your trust and support. We sincerely hope that your family have more fun with our Reborn doll. Anything we can do better, please feel free to contact us again. We would like to express our warm thanks and greetings. Sincerely." That's nice. Okay, now let's open this doll. I'm so excited. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness! She's so cute. Let's see her hair. Oh wow. I love her. Now let's try to get her out of this box. Ugh. And the other two. Let's see, is she free? She's so cute and really heavy. I like heavy babies. Aww. Look at this smiling little face. She looks so realistic. She feels like a really heavy baby. Rory is even lighter than this. She has rooted lashes, and I love her little dimples. I also have dimples. She's so cute. She has, her little feet are like curved out. She has like a flat hand and kind of like a fist hand. Let me try opening the hands. I think we'll have to take this outfit off. Oh, there's Velcro. I hope she fits in Rory's clothes too. Just take off her whole thing. She's so cute. Look at those legs. Oh, she has little plastic. Her arms are really like long. She's so cute. And she also has a real diaper. That's so cute. Let's test out her bottle and pacifier. Aww. We have nothing to clip it to though. She's so cute. And the bottle, it's already sealed, so that will be fun. It looks like a good one. If you want a doll dressed like her, we'll leave a link in the description below. She was about $38, which isn't a bad price for a Reborn with this quality. Just look at her smiling face. I can't wait to do more videos with her. If I had to give this doll a number on the scale of 1 through 10, I give her a 10 out of 10. Look at how cute she is. And she has like a little folded ear, which looks so like cool and realistic. So cute. That's it for today's video. If you like this unboxing video, like and subscribe for more like this. Bye! She looks like a little elf.